How many things can I grow in my patio garden? Let me show you. Let's start out right over here. Look at these strawberries. Ooh, there's a red one. I'll have to get that one before Verluca finds them. And
Go ahead.
I've got lemon cucumbers. And if you come up here, I have regular pickling cucumbers. And they're coming out. Look at the flowers. They're coming out all over. Back up a little bit. And look at the corn. Matter of fact, if you go down, there's a couple of them already started. See all the silk over there and over here? Matter of fact, I have 4 stalks of corn in a 5-gallon grow bag. Now let's go down below the corn. And these here are cayenne peppers that are just starting out, but I'll show you some full-size one. And look at my bell peppers. Whoa. Can you see that? Another one there.
A lot of them coming up.
Moving over this way, I've got a hanging bag with, these are more bell peppers, but look down here at my cayennes.
Ooh, nice.
Very tasty. And then right behind me, these are my beefsteak tomatoes. You can see them growing right over here. Whoops, right over here. But look at my double-sized beefsteak tomatoes. These guys are going to get about 2 pounds each. Look at that. And moving out here, more beefsteak. And these here, just to the left, these are San Marzano.
I smell some pasta sauce.
So to go with the pasta sauce, down there, this is basil as well.
Lemon basil.
Lemon basil. Some more. And they really help the tomatoes to grow. And coming down over here, well, we've already eaten them, but these were poblano peppers. And then as a side dish, look at my string beans.
We already had 3 dinners with this.
Yeah, so they're coming out really well. Whoops, down here too. So we got quite a few of those. Here, my head lettuce are starting to head finally. And I have garlic in here and carrots starting over there. And on that side right over there, my cabbage are beginning to use their head and create the heads. Look at that. So they're doing well.
Yeah.
And over here, my potatoes in a box are flourishing. And all the way up here, we have scallions and a few more garlics hiding in the back. Bringing us all the way over there, where we have more cayenne peppers. Look at that. These are jalapenos. And over here, we have cherry tomatoes. We've already had some yellow ones. Can't show them to you because Verluca, it's hard to keep ahead of her. So that's what we have on my deck. A lot more things are coming in. We got parsley. It's hard to remember all the names. Parsley and marigolds and all kinds of fun little things. So keep watching and I'll keep you posted when this stuff is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.